Hello, I'm Rachel Bodner from Caldwell Banker and Sudbury, MassRealEstate.com, and I'm standing in front of 137 Brimstone Lane in Sudbury. It is a Frank Lloyd Wright designed mid-century modern home with over 3,000 square feet on one living level. It has a beautiful indoor pool and an outbuilding that could be used for all sorts of things. Come on, let's go take a look inside. I hope you enjoyed your tour of 137 Brimstone Lane in Sudbury. I'm standing in the kitchen overlooking the indoor pool. And again, this house was designed by an apprentice of Frank Lloyd Wright, and one of the features of his homes is lots of large windows that bring the exterior in. And you can see that in the pool area, and you'll find that throughout the entire home. If you'd like more information, please reach out. I would love to help. Again, I'm Rachel Bodner from Caldwell Banker and Sudbury, MassRealEstate.com. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.